Hey, what's up guys? I'm here again and then I will do I bought face mask in Lazada. So we'll try this one and we'll see how good this face mask, okay? It's cheaper. There's a lot of sales in Lazada, okay? This is only 149 pesos with I don't know, it has already the shipping fee, okay? I'll try this one. I'll open, unboxing this face mask. Okay. Try to open this one. Okay, oh nice. Nice. Okay, good. Packaging. I'll open this one. Oh, nice. Okay. It is washable. It's Nike. Okay, we'll try this one. Put the mask on the face. Okay. Okay, nice. Love it. Cool. Okay, if you want to buy Lazada, you can buy it. It's cheaper. It arrives 1 week. Came from China. Made in China. Okay. Okay. That's all because I bought this one. I am allergic to face mask, surgical face mask. It is cheaper now. 1 box for 50 pesos only. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and then click the like, and if you want to comments, just post it. Okay, thank you very much and see you again. I'm Edison Ching. Sign out.